Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming your Epic Games account is linked to the correct Xbox profile. This prevents losing progress. Once signed into Xbox Cloud Gaming, open Fortnite and pause to access settings. You need to reach the Account tab. This is where display names and Epic account links live. Make sure two-factor authentication is enabled on your Epic account because policies may block name changes without it. Now navigate to the profile or account page. That's the first actionable step to rename your handle. You're now editing the display name. Select Profile or Account Settings and pick Edit Display Name. Type the new handle adhering to character limits and profanity filters. Once entered, Fortnite will redirect you to Epic's account confirmation page because Xbox Cloud Gaming delegates name changes to Epic for cross-platform consistency. You must complete that confirmation and approve via two-factor authentication if prompted. After verification, the change propagates back to Xbox. Wait to finish by restarting Fortnite in Xbox Cloud Gaming and checking the main menu for your new name. This confirms propagation. If it still shows the old handle, sign out and sign back into both Xbox and Epic accounts, clear your browser cache, or relaunch the cloud session to force a sync. If the rename fails or you see a blocked username error, wait 24 hours for server updates, then contact Epic support with your account details. That single troubleshooting tip resolves most stuck renames.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.